Where'd the owner go?
He died in a fire. Wait. Hey! Oh no! Hide it! Oh no! Frick! No! This guy's a cupcake! No! Why'd you didn't hide it? Why is your thing so loud, bro? I don't know if you can hear this, but his hand right here is like so loud. Oh, I don't know what I'm. Okay.
I'll give you a cupcake.
Where'd he go? Oh God!
You fly?
You can fly to forest. That's gonna be kind of hard.
Can I join the Seagulls? I'll give you
No.
a cupcake.
There he is! There he is! Bro, he's over there! There he is, he's actually over there. No, Seagull! Bro, okay, one of the seagulls fell into it.
Oh, it's your name?
Before we move on to raiding servers, we're gonna attend a funeral for someone.
Boys, I'm at 0%.
Bruh. Bruh.
I want everybody to punch me in the seagull balls, okay?
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Guys, kiss him. Everyone kiss him. Everyone kiss him. Okay, I said kiss, not suck. Guys, start kissing him and don't suck him.
My last words are, subscribe to his channel and also subscribe to JackieBoy13567.
Guys, do not overreact. Do not overreact. There's no food. Shh, calm down. Guys, calm down. There's no food. If you have food, do not equip it. No, Seagull, calm down. There's no popsicle. It's chicken leg as well. That guy's stacked with food.
I got a bite of the turkey.
Let's go. Wait, what? Wait, bro, is that a duck? Where's the duck? Shit, sorry. Oh.
It's a voice changer. Who wants to bite? Who?
Me. There's no food, guys. There's no food. Do not overreact. There's no food. Alright, follow me. There's no food. Shut up. Seagull. Don't you dare. Do not set them off. Calm down.
I said it with the M for saying the
Guys.
M.
Oh no, there's a flower. There's a flower. That's food. No. What have you done? What have you done? Why did you have that? He's gone. Where'd you go? Oh my God, dude! One of the seagulls just dipped into forest. I literally saw him just walk in there.
One eternity later.
So that video is pretty short, and I'm sorry about that. But we ran into a few problems trying to like group teleport, which I'm not surprised. Because I kind of knew that this would happen. So to make it up to you guys, I'm playing Gorilla Tag on competitive with one hand. I hate myself. Let's see how good I do.
Huh?
Oh my God. Dude, I can't play with one hand! I fed my dog the last battery I had for my controller.
I'm gay. I'm the wrong word.
Come here for the monkey.
Please.
Imagine getting tied with some guy who only has one hand.
Imagine being a black nigga.
Wow!
Hey, you want to see a long jump? Oh my God,
I ran into you. My bad.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
I did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't. I got. Wait, I have to put the battery back in.
Then put it in. Is it in?
What do you think I'm doing?
What the heck did you even do, bro?
Is it in?
I want to try canyons because of the new update that came out that I didn't make a video about because I was too busy. Definitely not lazy. Oh.
Bro, that was on you. Bro,
I know that was on me. I didn't grab.
Alexa, play He's Gay for 8 hours.
What?
It's not fun. Guys, everybody be quiet. We gotta get all this.
No, we will not be quiet.
Everybody